show that p raised to minus 5 by 6, rho raised to half, e raised to 1 by 3 is of the dimension of time. Here p is pressure, rho is density and e is energy. Now we have to prove this is having the dimension of time. So I can write here p raised to minus 5 by 6, rho raised to half, e raised to 1 by 3. Now writing the dimensions. For pressure, the dimension is ml raised to minus 1, t raised to minus 2. The whole raised to minus 5 by 6. For density, it is ml raised to minus 3 raised to half. For energy, ml square t raised to minus 2 raised to 1 by 3. Now, we can write equating the like terms minus 5 by 6. Here it is m raised to 1 by 2. So, it is plus 1 by 2. Here it is 1 by 3. So, it is plus 1 by 3. To L raised to. Here it is minus and plus. So, it is plus 5 by 6. Here it is minus 3, 1 by 2. So, it is minus 3 by 2. Here it is minus plus 2, 1 by 3. So, it is plus 2 by 3. For T, it is minus 2 minus 5 by 6. That is minus 5 by plus 5 by 3. Here there is no T term. Here it is minus 2 by 3. Now we can go for LCM for the powers. So here it is 6 minus 5 plus 3 plus 2. Here it is L 6 5 minus 9 plus 4 plus 6 4. Here T 5 by 2. Here it is 3 by 3. So minus 5 plus 5 0. So it is m raised to 0. Here it is L raised to minus 9. Here this is 4 only. Plus 9, 0. So you are getting the dimension of